Just collected the keys to this one bed flat that we are going to take on to manage. What I thought the landlord would do is just as a plight, as a nice thing to do, is I'll go around the property, see what we think needs doing, and advise the landlord and potentially get it done for the landlord as well, unless they want to do it themselves, obviously. So what I'll do now is I'll walk around and I'll try to point things out. Our team has already been and done this, but what I like to do is go around myself every now and then and go through the process myself, and then compare notes with the team. As you can see already, there's something up there, so there's plenty to do. All right, let me turn the camera around and start. Okay, so first things first, we have some very racist stickers put on this door by some people, so we will get rid of those. And then, because this is a first floor flat, we would need to really put some sort of sign on the door to show that it's the first floor flat, because there's two 93s here and we don't want people getting confused early on, especially for viewings and new tenants. So first in, I think that paint's peeling, so that needs to be sanded down, redecorated ideally. So there's signs that there was a doorstop there which has come loose and been lost, which resulted in the wall being damaged. So there you go. So we need to put a new doorstop back there, and then that to be filled in, sanded down and repainted. Again, sanded down, repainted. All that needs to be cleaned. Well, that can be deep cleaned at the end. It does seem like there is some sort of condensation issue in this flat throughout. That's going to be a running theme. For example, this paintwork has flaked off, so that needs to be sanded down, repainted again. This carpet, originally upon entry I thought it would need replacing, but actually it's just needs cleaning. I think it'll come up fine. There's no tear, there's no marks in it, it's just worn slightly. Okay, signs of mold there, so that needs sorting. Signs of mold again along here, that can be cleaned, so that's not so bad. This, I'm not sure it can be cleaned or painted, so I'm not sure if it can be cleaned or not. If it can't be cleaned, then this has to be repainted as well. Marks there, that needs to be repainted. That will come off with a clean. What I'm really looking out for is what can be cleaned and what has to be repainted. So bathroom, that store needs to be replaced, and then a lot of this needs to be resealed and cleaned. There really needs to be a doorstop here, because this handle is going to keep hitting the radiator. There needs to also be a lock here as well, with a childproof lock, so with a coin that you can use from the outside to open it. I mean, it's a one bed flat, so maybe it doesn't need it. Okay, so that needs to be cleaned. This blind, it's functional-ish, but there's plenty of mold in there, so it's probably cheaper just to replace it. To remove it or replace it. Mold along there. That light bulb's not coming on, so it needs a new light bulb. Mold. Deep clean. So this vanity cabinet sink, that's cracked, and there's silicone, that needs to be silicone. The cabinet itself actually looks fine. So it might be the case the way to replace the sink. If you can't replace the sink, then replace the whole cabinet. Mirror's fine. Tiles are a bit dated, but fine. Just needs cleaning. Again, this just needs resealing. All that just needs cleaning. That needs repainting as well. There's no extractor fan in here, and that's probably, that would have helped with the damp and mold. I'm guessing the tenants aren't opening the window when they're showering. This is a top floor flat. Okay, so inside, these blue tack needs removing on the walls along here. Some nails up there as well. I'm guessing this is sort of the dining area or the office area, because that's a lot of mess on there, so that needs repainting. Mold signs along these curtains. These blinds actually seem fine, but it's just full of mold, so it's probably easier just to replace it or remove it and put some new blinds there, or a curtain pole across there, and then tenants can put their own blinds in. That needs to be ceiling down there, and then there's a mould there as well. Okay, so again, doorstop that was there, it's no longer there, so we need to put a new one back, or else it's going to damage that wall. That needs to be repaired. I think that chair needs to be chopped. It's not fit for purpose anymore. But 3 chairs here should be enough now. Furniture's fine. That's fine. Those walls are by and large fine. That's fine. Okay, so kitchen. This does still have a doorstop, so it's good. This just needs resealing along here. Clean, resealing along here. This really needs to be replaced, I think. So this worktop here to here needs to be replaced. Ideally matching, if we can't match, then yeah, then we'll have to try and find another solution. That's fine. I mean, we'll probably just need to remove all these that need to be dealt with. Okay, I think that's it. So with these, I'm really not a fan of these. I'm assuming this is working. I'm not a fan of these hobs. It might be an opportunity just to replace it with something a bit more modern and presentable and easier to clean. The problem with these is that they're actually quite difficult to clean, and they're not. It doesn't feel great when you're using them to cook. There's always like a scraping of the bottom of the pan. Carpet, yeah, it's okay. You know, just needs cleaning really. That furniture, this cabinet's a bit too old. They've stuck something there which has left the mark and can't really be removed. I don't know what you can do with that, because it doesn't seem like you can replace a whole radiator, but it's not presentable. These blinds are actually okay. Mould along here. I'm not sure what that is, but that needs to be removed, and this mattress presumably needs to be removed as well. Yeah, it's not old enough. And that needs to be removed. That's fine. And that's fine, just needs cleaning really, and maybe repainting. Okay, not like it's a bit wonky. Take there, and it's got a door. Yeah, it's got a door stop there. So what I do now is I'll send this to our landlord and our team and compare notes and see what they think. Yeah, there's not much to do, and at the same time there is a lot to do. The thing about this is that it's a 1-bed flat, so cash flow isn't going to be amazing, which means, you know, the finances will dictate what the finances will dictate what can be done with this flat, because it's a 1-bed flat, and therefore it won't cash flow as well, let's say like a 3-bed flat or a HMO. Alright, name is Nguyen. We're left to manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. Alright, see you.